Hello, my name is Suji Maniam. I'm a DevRel for AI Studio at Nebius. Today I'm going to show you how to create some fun images using LoRa adapters. So the image we are going to create is a pelican riding a bicycle. So I'm at Nebius AI Studio. I'm going to select text to image, and I'm going to select flux and select go to playground. I'm going to select a smaller image size. So let's create an image without any adapter. Here's my prompt, a pelican riding a bicycle. Let's see what we get. Nice. That's a pretty good image. Now let's create some fun variants of this image using LoRa adapters. Civit AI is my go-to place to find fun LoRa adapters. I have a couple I have bookmarked for this video. Let's start with the Lego minifigure. So I have it open here. Make sure Flux version is selected. And also your URL looks this way. It should say models, model version ID. So copy this. I'm going to add this as a LoRa adapter. In order for us to use LoRa's, we also need a trigger word. That is here. So the trigger word for this LoRa is Lego minifigure. Copy that. So I need to have this trigger word in my prompt and then my regular prompt, a pelican riding a bicycle. All right, let's see what we get. Nice. See, this is a pelican riding a bicycle, Lego style. Let's try another LoRa, which is Simpsons, and I have it open here. So I'm going to copy this URL. Again, make sure it's in the correct version with model version ID. I'm going to paste the Simpsons LoRa here. And for Simpsons LoRa, we have a few trigger words. Let me select, say, Homer Simpsons. Copy that into my prompt and then my regular prompt. Okay, let's see what we get. Nice. So this is pelican riding a bicycle, Simpson style. Very nice. So what we did, we first created a plain image without any adapters. Then we created it in Lego style using LoRa, and then used Simpsons LoRa model to create a Simpson style. This is pretty fun, right? So hope you enjoyed this. You can create your own images at Nebius AI Studio. Thank you.